Welcome to another Tiny Garage video. Today on Tiny Garage, we're going to take a look at this Mazda pickup truck from Hot Wheels. And I'm not entirely sure how to pronounce this. It might be Repu, it might be Repu, but that's what it is. It's a Mazda pickup truck. And this is part of the HW Hot Trucks series. Also says best for track, and it's one of 10 of that series. And this is part of the 50th anniversary year of Hot Wheels, so that's 2018. And this is a really cool truck. You don't really see these much, these Japanese mini trucks. And I am pretty excited to take a look at this. So let's go ahead and open it up. So here we have our Mazda out of its packaging, and let's go ahead and take a look at the side. So we can see on the side it's got some graphics on there for a brand. It's got Yokohama, which is a tire brand. It's also got the Hot Wheels logo on the back of the truck bed, and it's got a really cool red stripe. It's a minimal looking truck. It's just white, not a lot of flames or craziness going on, so it's really cool. These wheels are really cool. They're just black with the chrome rings around them, so they look really sharp. If we spin around to the front, we can see some nice detail on the chrome. Zoom in a bit there. We've got the dual headlights, which is a nice vintage look, and tinted glass, which is really cool too. If we look at the driver's, or I guess passenger side, because this is probably right-hand drive, it's hard to tell. You can see it's got the marker lights painted in there, which is a nice detail. And we look at the bed, we can see the taillights down at the bottom, and you can see right on the back it says Rotary Power. So this pickup had a rotary motor, kind of like an RX-7 from Mazda, and I think this is earlier than the RX-7. So these are pretty cool. They were neat little pickup trucks. And if we look at the top, we can see in the bed there's this plastic black fill. I'm not sure why it doesn't go the entire way, but maybe that's the way the original truck goes. But it looks really sharp. It's a nice little pickup truck, and it's very simple. The graphics aren't too crazy, which is probably one of the things I love the most about it. And if you like this video, make sure you leave us a thumbs up and a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything from Tiny Garage. And we'll see you on the next video.